Welcome to the Kwik Performance Engine Lab. What we're talking about today is our power steering reservoir, and this is actually the reservoir that comes on the 97 to 013 Corvettes. What we've done is we've assembled a few parts for you. So we are going to assemble the bracket that mounts the reservoir and also a cap. So that's going to be a little bit of a convenience item. We've designed all of our LS alt power steering brackets to mount this reservoir here, so it should be pretty easy for you. However, we like it so much because of its size. This has the ability as well to be turned around like so. And you could actually mount this to a firewall or something like that. So we like this reservoir, and so we've decided to also mount it on our big block and small block stuff. The way that we do that is with this little adapter right here. Bolts right onto our bracket, allows you to bolt up the reservoir, and away you go. Check us out. Thanks.